Duracell 370371, and the new battery and the old battery, and this is the Seiko watch. Okay, this is a Seiko watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a multimeter to show you this has less than 1.5 volts, something about 1.3. This has 1.5. That's why this one is, I have to recycle this old battery. Okay, so let me show you what and this is the Husky precision tool. It came in a box of 22 pieces. Okay, these drill bits. So let me show you using a multimeter to test the voltage of these two batteries. Okay, so now I set the voltmeter to 20 volts DC, and also the right plug to this the voltage ohm MA. Okay, so I have this voltmeter Craftsman, and I have the right plug to this volt ohm MA instead of just the ohm. Okay, and the negative is to calm. That's how you're supposed to use it. And there's the DC 1.5 volts, 9 volts, 20, 200, 600. I guess I could change it to here to test the 1.5 volts. Let's see what we got. So this is the old battery. It's very difficult to test this. Okay. Let's put the negative inside. You can see it's a 1.329. Right? See, it's 1.331. That's the old battery. Here's the new battery. It needs to be 1.5. So I'm touching the negative black palm to the inside. See, 1.697. So this is the new battery. So I know this one is good. So 1.697, which is more than 1.5. That one is below 1.5, so it's no good. All you have to do is just pop this in there and lightly put this back, push this back cover, and then you use your fingers, turn this thing clockwise because it's very subtle. That groove is very subtle. You don't want to break it with your tool. So just use your fingers. If you don't have a decent amount of fingernail, I don't really have any, as you can see. You can still push the back of this Seiko watch cover and then turn clockwise. And there you have it. And then you can see what time is it now. 8:20. So I'm just gonna turn this to 8:20. There we go. And it's Wednesday. It's 15. So call this a success. There we go. Wednesday 15. Oops. That's good enough.